In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Google Meet link on Google Calendar. This is an incredibly useful skill, particularly if you frequently schedule meetings or virtual gatherings. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to seamlessly integrate your Google Meet link into your Google Calendar, making the process efficient and straightforward for all participants. To start, we need to head over to Google Meet. You can do this by entering meet.google.com into your web browser. It's important to ensure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for work and personal use. This will ensure that your links are correctly associated with the calendar you're planning to use. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, direct your attention to the New Meeting button. Clicking on this will present a few options, but for our purpose, select Schedule in Google Calendar. What this does is open up the Google Calendar interface. It's here that we'll be setting the specifics for your meeting. Now, since Google Calendar is a powerful tool with a variety of functionalities, give it a moment to load properly. Look for the Create button, typically located towards the top left part of your screen. Clicking on this will open a new window where you'll begin to enter the details of your event. When you see the event option, go ahead and select it. This is where you'll want to enter all the essential details about your meeting. Start by giving your event a name. Keep it descriptive enough so that participants immediately understand the purpose of the meeting. Be sure to set the right date and time. It's very easy to accidentally schedule something in the wrong time zone, especially if you're coordinating international team members. Once the event details are set, Google Calendar will automatically generate a Google Meet link for you. You can find it in the event details, typically labeled as Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This link will be sent out with the calendar invites, providing easy access for everyone involved. Now that you've got everything set up, it's time to hit the Save button. Before doing so, double check all the information, ensuring it's accurate and complete. This confirmation step helps to avoid any confusions or mishaps on the day of the meeting. After clicking Save, your invites will be sent, and the meeting link will be embedded in the calendar event. And there you have it, you've successfully added a Google Meet link to your Google Calendar event. By mastering this process, you can ensure your meetings are well organized and accessible, all with the click of a few buttons. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.